Hi guys! Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Okay, iba-iba yung bati natin ha. Kasi for sure, iba-iba din yung time kung saan, kailan manonood ng lecture. So, by the way, kahit ganitong maulan, maulan sa labas, tuloy pa rin ang klase. Alright, so by this time, we will be discussing one app, which is the MIT App Inventor, okay, for you to create a mobile application. Okay, so as we discussed last time during our chapter 1, we learn about objects. Okay, so anything that you can place in your form, for example, we are using Visual Studio, those are objects. Okay, an object has a state and behavior. All right, so state, we have the properties. Limbawa, yung text box meron siyang properties at meron din siyang behavior kung anong pwedeng gawin ng text box. So one up is the MIT Inventor. Ito yung isa sa maraming applications. Meron din Android Studio. Maraming mga applications na pwede nating gamitin to build or create an Android application. So for this time, we'll be discussing MIT App Inventor. So what is MIT App Inventor? Hindi pala natin i-discuss kung ano ang MIT App Inventor. Okay? But for this time, we have here your the installer. So you'll be copying, or yes, this installer, and then just install it using your just install it on your Windows laptop or computer. Okay? So ang ating MIT App Inventor, meron siyang offline and meron din siyang online. If you want to create online application, or I mean, if you want to create an application na online, nandun lang, i-search mo lang sa Google MIT App Inventor. Okay? Pero ito, ang gagamitin natin na ito ay offline naman. So pwede mong gamitin ito offline and then install mo sa computer mo, gumawa ka ng application and then yun na, build it and then install mo sa iyong mobile or cellphone. Okay? So once you install this, just follow the on-screen installation guide. Madali lang naman kung paano install. Okay? Pero pag nag-error, hindi naman siguro mag-error. Okay? Ask na lang ng question kung may hindi maintindihan ha, kung dun sa installation natin. Okay? So once you install this application, MIT App Inventor, ang makikita natin diyan saan? Saglit lang. Dito sa desktop ay ito, AI2 offline. Okay? So just double click this application and then kung may lalabas diyan sa screen natin na parang sinasabi niya na allow, just allow. Okay? So once this screen appear on your desktop or on the screen, just click all AI2, this one, offline server. So just click this one, okay? So may lalabas mga ganyan ha, sa desktop natin or sa taskbar. Okay? And then after lumabas ang mga yan, start invent. Just click this button and then mag-open ang browser natin. Okay? So let's wait for the browser to open. We have here your browser. So I am not using my internet connection, although I am connected to the internet, but then hindi ko siya ginagamit for now. Or you may open your browser once you click all offline server, and then wag niyo siyang i-close ha. Then you may just type or open a browser and type this one, localhost, then colon 8888/login. Okay, and then we have here, click here to use your Google account to log in. Okay, just click that one, and then we have here, you may of course change the email address before you click login. Halimbawa ito yung ginamit ko ngayon. And then, click ko login. Gumawa ko ng application. Now, kung meron makikigamit din sa laptop mo, you need to change the email address. Kasi kapag hindi mo papalitan ng email address, makikita mo yung mga applications na ginawa ni email address na to. Okay? So, you may change the email address if you want. Or kung merong ibang user. Okay? So, email address, type your email address, and then click on login. So, once you click login, ang mangyayari dyan, if you have created your application before, dito lalabas my projects. Yung mga applications, the applications that you have built before. Okay? So, for the first time, of course, ang mangyayari dyan ay you need to click Start New Project. Start New Project. We have here. Start New Project. And then, you need to type the name of your project. For example, my app. For example. And then, you click on OK. Okay. And then, nandun na, my app. And then, nandito na rin yung application or yung mobile kung saan tayo pwede mag-create ng application natin. Okay? For here, the components naman, edi mga components, kumbaga, these are the tools na ginagamit natin, ha? So, you may just drag and drop on the screen of the phone. Meron pa dito, layout. Kung gusto mo maglagay ng, i-discuss natin mamaya yung layout. If you want to create, balikan natin yung user interface. Pwede ka maglagay ng button, checkbox, image, label, etc. And then under media, you can also add camcorder, camera. If you want to create or build an application that requires to capture web here, you may use camera, image speaker, player, sound, text-to-speech, speech recognizer. Halimbawa, screen unlock. Kapag nagsalita ka, mag-unlock. Okay? Text-to-speech, kung meron kang tinype, babasahin niya, and etc. Drawing and animation, maps, if you want to create an application na merong mga ganyan, okay? Sensors, okay, meron din ito. Barcode scanner, if you want to create or build an application to scan the barcode, gagamitin mo mga yan. So we have here the different sensors. Social, if you want to create an application or link your social media accounts, we have here. Storage, halimbawa, do you want to save like that? Or access any file? Okay, we have here. And connectivity, kung mag-send ka naman, and etc. So, yun yung laman ng ating components. Pero yung pinaka na kailangan natin is under user interface. Okay? Next here is your components. Kung ano yung mga lalagay mo dito, mag-appear dito sa components natin. And of course, the properties. Kung ano yung nakaselect dito na component, makikita mo dito yung property naman ng component na yon. Okay, so let's start. We have here, actually, balikan natin yung una. O, ito. So we will be creating, sample lang ha. So this is a sample application that we will be creating now. So we have here the animal sounds and then your name as a developer. And then kung meron kong lagay dyan images, and then let's, for example, we have here start button. After users click or press the start button, lalabas ang itong susunod. So mamili siya kung mag-aaral ba siya or mag-quiz. Okay, kapag click niyo yung home, ito, babalik dun sa previous screen. So, ito naman, kapag click yung learn, babalik or magdi-display ito. So, when you touch, for example, ito, yung mga yan, meron siyang instruction, tap the picture to hear their sounds. For example, if you tap or click, press the picture of the dog, magpi-play ang mag-play ang sound ng dog. Same through with cow, dolphin, wrong spelling pa yung dolphin natin. Walang E. And then cat. And then of course, after a user click the next button, we have here, lalabas pa yung, kung meron pa. Next, hanggang matapos. Kapag quiz naman, ito pa pala, before yung quiz natin. So, meron akong linagay dito. Ito yung layout natin ha. Kung cell natin ilalagay. Halimbawa ito, dito natin ilalagay yung text sa taas. Ito, yung picture dito natin ilalagay. Snake dito. Under those pictures, ilalagay natin yung name. So, rooster dito. Kaya natin linagyan ng ganyan para meron tayong basehan. Meron siyang, kasi hindi masyado, i-explain ko na lang mamaya kung bakit natin kailangan lagyan naman ganyan. Okay? So, we have here next. Ito yung quiz naman. Kapag quiz, hindi lesson, yung pinili niya, we have here, which sound is this? So, pag i-play niya, kiklik niya yung play button, we have here, as limbawa, pag click niya yun, nag-roar. Yung nag-play na sounds. Okay? So, kailangan i-click itong tiger. Kapag click yung tiger, sabi niya, you're correct. Or you're awesome. Awesome. Parang ganyan. Okay? Pero pag iba naman, ang click niya, halimbawa, nag-roar nga, click niyo yung pig, hindi oink, click niyo yung pig, please try again. Please try again. Yun yung malalabas. And then next, hanggang matapos. Okay? So again ha, yung play button dito, pag magpi-play ng kung ano yung hulaan. And then of course, the home button babalik sa main screen natin. So bali, yun yung gagawin natin. Ha? Okay. Balik tayo dito sa my app natin. Okay. Review. So let's start building the first. So ang first natin ay ito. Saan na? Balik ko lang. We will create our home screen or main screen. So we have here animal sounds, then developed by, and then pag-isahin nyo lang yung picture, mag-design na lang kayo dyan, and then we have here the start button. Pero bago yon pala, okay, we have here, meron tayong mga pictures dito ha. Mga yan, pare-pareho yung sizes. So, inedit ko na yan sa Adobe Photoshop. Okay? So, the size of this is, this pictures, 1 by 1, and then 72. 1 by 1 inches, and then 72 yung resolution. Para hindi masyado mabigat. Kasi dito, you're allowed 25, 50 MB. No. Yata? I'm sure. Kapag offline, yung application, you are allowed to create an application which is up to, 50 MB. Up to 50 MB. Okay? Pero kapag online, mas mataas yung MB na pwede mong gawin. Okay? So, for the meantime, offline muna. So, kailangan yung paliitin yung mga pictures, hindi siya mabigat para hindi nyo ma-reach yung 50 MB. Okay? So, balik tayo dito. Okay, eto na. So, meron akong mga pictures dito ha. Mga yan. And then, mga home, start, mga ganyan. And then, effects naman, kung great, please try again. Meron din naman ako dito sounds ng mga animals. Okay? So, let's start. Okay? So, we will start creating now or designing the screen 1 or the home screen of your application. Alright? So, you may click this screen and then you may change, of course, the title, home, kumbaga, ita-type natin home, and then the icon. Icon, ito yung, sabi natin kanina, ito yung magdi-display kapag in-install mo yung program. Ito yung magdi-display sa screen kapag in-install mo yung program. So you may choose your icon. Okay? And of course, you may change the background color if you want. Alright? So first, we have here, kapag tignan natin yung ating ito. So we have here your animal sounds. Ito, animal sounds. So isang word, and then developed by, and then isang picture, and then start button. Okay? So, pag ilagay natin yan, we need to create a layout or set layout. Okay? Layout muna, and then, dito natin ilalagay yung mga gusto natin ilagay. So, kumbaga dito, ilang columns? 3. And then, ilang rows? Okay? Okay lang yung dalawa kasi nga sa taas yung animal and then sa baba yung sounds. So with that, we will be adding dun sa user interface, we'll be adding label. Dun sa gitna, label, another label dito. So dito, we may change the text we have here, animal, animal. Ikaw, animal, joke lang. And then we have here, sounds. Yan. Animal sound. And then, of course, you may change the font size, for example, 50. Yan. And then, o pwede pa naka-bold. Bold. And then, sound, font size, 50, and then naka-bold din lang. Kung pwede, lagyan mo pa dito, meron pa dito, text alignment, center. Yan. Text alignment. And then, we have here, center naman. Okay? So, as you can see, nandun na yung animal sounds natin sa taas. Okay? So, next would be developed by. Okay? So, pwede mo actually magdagdag pa ng isang layout. Okay? Table arrangement dito for your the text developed by. Okay? Kahit tatlong column, then isang row. And then you will be adding sa gitna ulit, developed by. Developed by. Then your name. So, nandyan na yan. Okay? Next is, we will be adding layout again. Ito, table arrangement. Then, ilalagay natin yung isang picture. So, yung picture na saan? Ito, kahit isang picture, edit na lang sa Photoshop yan. Isang picture lang yan. Okay, para hindi tayo mahirapan. Okay? So, dito, isang picture. So, rows, kahit isa, and then, tatlo yung kanyang columns ulit. Okay? So, we'll be adding image. Image is the center. And then, change the picture, the image. Halimbawa, yung cut, gawin natin, yun yung pinaka-first na image dyan. And then, start button. Okay? So, we'll be adding another layout, table arrangement ulit sa baba. And then, since start button lang, tatlo. And then, isa yung row. And then, image ulit. Kasi picture nilagay natin yung start button. So, image dun sa gitna. And then, of course, yung picture natin, start. Kung wala dyan, of course, you need to upload file, choose, and then, hanapin mo kung nasaan yung start. Start button. And then, click on open. Okay? So, we have here, since nandito na yung start, click ko lang start, and then, okay. So, nandyan na yung start button. So, kapag i-click ko yung start button, magne-next. So, make sure that this button or this image is clickable. So, nandyan, clickable. Set natin, click natin as clickable. Kasi pwede natin i-click yan. Okay? So, yun yung screen 1 natin. Now, bago tayo mag-code, mag-add muna tayo ng iba't ibang screens. Okay? So, we will add screen. Screen 2, ito yung home kanina, kumbaga sub-home ito, kumbaga sub-home. Ang sub-home natin yung ito yon. Ang sub-home natin ay ito, learn and then quiz. And then, screen 3, screen 4, kahit yan lang muna, screen 3, screen 4, and then jump na tayo sa may ito, screen 5. Gawin natin screen 5 itong quiz na. Okay? So, yun yun. Okay? So, we have here, balik tayo dito. So, sub-home. So, ang laman nito ay yung learn and then quiz. And then, of course, nasa baba, home button. Okay? So, we will add table arrangement. So, kung pansinin natin, dito sa may, saan? Ito, yung ating quiz, medyo nasa taas. ay nasa baba, mas mababa. Okay? So, lagyan pa natin ng isang row doon, 1, 2, 3. And then, isang table arrangement ulit doon, layout. Okay? So, we have here, so dito, okay, gawin natin, columns niya, 3. And then, rows niya, 1, 2, 3. Gawin natin 3. So, mag-add na tayo ng image. Saan? Dito. Para mas mababa, another image here. So, ito, yung image na to is clickable din. Make sure na clickable. And then, you need to browse the picture. So, upload file, choose, and then hanapin mo lang kung nasan yung file na i-upload natin. With here, learn. Click on open. Ito na kasi meron na ako dito, kaya i-ano ko na lang dito. Click ko na lang learn. And then, okay. So, nandyan na yan. Next, make sure this is clickable. And then, hanapin mo lang ulit. Pero pag nandyan, gamitin mo na lang. Okay, nandyan na yan. And then, we will be adding another layout, table arrangement dito. Mas mababa ng konti, columns, ilang columns, 3. Or kahit ikaw na bahala. And then, let's say, 3. And then, we will be adding image ulit dun sa pinakababa. Or kahit dito. Sabihin natin ganyan. And then, this will be your home button. Home button, we have your picture. And then, you need to upload your home button picture, or kung nandito na, just select and then click on OK. So, nandun na yung home button natin. Make sure na you choose clickable ulit. Clickable, clickable, clickable. Okay. When you click learn, magdi-display ang isang screen. So, we will be adding screen. Sabihin natin na learn 1. Okay. That would be the screen when you press learn. What if under learn, yung screen 1 ng learn, meron siyang next. So, learn 2. Learn 2. Halimbawa, hanggang learn 2 lang. Okay? Now, when you press quiz, may lalabas na screen. So, kumbaga, quiz 1. Quiz 1. Okay. And then, next, quiz number 2, mag-add tayo, quiz 2. Halimbawa, ganyan. Okay, balik tayo. Before, linagay lang natin ang mga yan. I-design pa natin. Okay? Sub, yung mga yan. Now, kapag prines natin ang learn, yung learn, anong mangyayari? Magdi-display ang learn 1. So, ito na. I-design natin ang ating learn 1. So, pag tignan natin ito, learn 1. Ito yung itsura niya. So, first, actually, meron ako dito linagay. We have here, your layout. Isang layout, isang layout, isang layout, isang layout. So, gayahin natin ito. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Para dito yung picture, ito, yan, yung snake dito, then yung text under. Ito. Same through with this. Ito next, nandito, and then yung home, and then yung top pictures sa taas na text. Okay? Balikan natin ito. So, we have here, so we'll be adding layout again, table arrangement sa taas. So, kahit tatlong columns, and then isang row. Okay? So, maglalagay na tayo. Binila na natin. So, 1, 4, 4 yung pangalawa. Ito naman, 4. So, 4 na columns, 4 na rows. So, try natin. Maglagay ng text muna sa taas. Label, lagay natin dito. So, ang laman niya ay, nakasulat doon ay, tap the picture to play their sounds or sound. Kumbaga. So, yan. Okay? Tap the picture to display their sound. Next, we have here, maglalagay tayo ng image. Ito yung image ng first, image ng pangalawa, pangatlo, dito, pang-4. Ito naman under yung pangalan ng mga animals na yan, label. label, label, and then we have here the label, another label. So pwede natin actually palitan yung mga images nandito. Okay? So for images or image 1, you may rename image. Okay? So this is the first picture, let's say cat. Okay. Next, image. Check natin. Cat, cow, dog, dolphin. Cat, rename, cow. Ito naman, dog. Ito, dolphin. Fin. Para mas madaling natin makita. Okay? For this one, yung cat, papalitan natin yung kanyang picture. So mag-a-add tayo ng picture. So again, you may just browse, upload file kung wala dito. So for now, nandito sa akin. So I will just choose the file or the image. Okay. So nandyan na yung cat. Next, we have here cow. Papalitan ko, nandito lang laman ulit. So cow. Okay. This would be the dog. Nandyan. Okay. And then ito naman yung ano to? Dolphin. Dolphin. Okay. Nandyan. Now, make sure na ang mga images na to ay clickable. Kasi nga, pag click natin ito, mag-play ang meow. Ito naman, yung cow. Ito, mag-bark. Ito yung dolphin. So, clickable lahat ng mga yan. So, you need to click, clickable. Select, clickable. Ito, clickable din. Ito, clickable din. Now, masyadong malalaki. So, pwede nating palitan yung kanilang sizes. So, gawin natin 20% ito. And then, okay, yung kanyang width ay gawin natin 30%. Okay, yan. Same to with this. Pare-pare-pareho. 20 and then 30. Okay. Same to with this. 20 and then 30. 30, 20 I mean, and then 30. Yan. And then, eto, meron din siyang scale picture to fit. So, check nyo kung ano mangyayari. Yan. So, pwede din natin piliin yung scale natin para mag-fit yung picture. Yan. And then, of course, yung text. So, this is, ano yun? Saan yung text niya? This is cat. This is, sige, sasasapan natin. Cat, and then yung kanyang alignment, center. Ito naman, cow, alignment niya ay center. Yung dog, alignment niya ay center. And then dolphin, alignment niya ay center. So, nandyan na yan. Itatap lang mga yan, mag-sound na. Okay? And then, aside from that, what if meron pang isang other animals? So, meron tayong next button dito. Wherein, yun yung mag-play yung learn to na screen. Okay? So, maglalagay tayo dito na another layout dito sa baba niya. And then, isang row lang, and then tatlo yung kanyang columns. So, maglalagay tayo ng image ulit sa gitna. Kasi, meron ako dito, picture, hanapin lang natin yung next na button. We have here your next button. Pero sa akin, nandito na. So, pipiliin ko na lang. Next, and then okay. So, nandun na yung next button. What if ayaw na niyang tumuloy? Gusto niyang bumalik dun sa main menu or home page. So, meron ulit tayo dito. Maglalagay tayo ng layout, table arrangement sa baba. Ayan. And then, kahit sa gilid na lang dyan. Kahit isa na lang tapos isa. 1:1. Kahit nandyan na. And then, 1:1. 1 and then 1. Image. Lagay natin dyan. And then, picture. Since meron ako dito, home button. Home button. Asan ang home? Letter H. Ito. Kung wala, i-upload na lang natin ulit. Home. Nandyan. And then, Since masyado malaking home natin, pwede natin palitan yung kanyang size, 20. And then, yung height niya, gawin natin 20 ulit. Yan. Nandyan na. Napalitan. Then make sure, since i-click natin ito, make sure na this is clickable. Make sure na this is clickable. Again, let's change the name properties para mas madali natin malaman. So this button, next, gawin natin next. Ito naman, home. Home button. Yan. Okay. So, nandyan na yan. So, when you press learn, lalabas ang ito. Now, we will try to add blocks. Screen 1 muna. So, kapag press mo ang start, anong mangyayari? Mag-i-display ang sub-home. So, paano natin i-display? So, for this time, we will be discussing the blocks. Ang blocks natin, marami yan sa Google. Kung paano ba na-display, kung paano ganito, nasa blocks lang yan. Okay? So, we have here, blocks. I-click lang natin yung block under learn screen 1 and then blocks. Okay. Now, kapag press mo, when you press this button, start, anong mangyayari? So, hanapin mo kung nasan si start dyan. Where is start? I guess di natin pinalitan. So, palitan ko muna yung pangalan. Rename, start. Start button. Yan. Balik sa block. So, start. We have here. When you press start, ito, i-click mo lang yan, lalabas yan. Yung mga blocks. So, kunin mo lang ito, click. Nakalagay dun click. Kunin lang natin yon. When you click the start button, what will happen? So, it will display actually the next screen or yung sub-screen or sub-home. So, under control, down, open another screen. Kunin mo lang, idugtong mo dito. After, when you click the start button, it will open another screen. What is the screen name? Ano yung screen na babuksan niya? Okay? So, we will be adding text. Ito, text. Yung pinakataas. Ito. Kunin mo lang yon, dugtong mo doon. Gaya ng sinabi natin, balik tayo dito. Okay? We have here. Kapag press mo yung start, mag-display ang sub-home para mamili siya kung learn or quiz. Okay? So, dito, the name of the screen would be sub-home. So, type natin dito ang sub-home. Yan. So, yun na yun. Designer. So, pag i-run natin yung ito, application, i-press mo yan, magdi-display ang sub-home. So, ito na. Same through with this. Okay? Napalitan. So, tata natin palitan na naman yung pangalan nila. So, this is learn. Image 1 will rename learn. This is quiz. Rename. Okay? And this is home. Home button. Okay. So, let's try to click on blocks. Now, when you press learn, ito, click. When you click learn, kunin mo lang, lagay mo doon. Ano mangyayari? Ang mangyayari dyan ay magdi-display ang another screen. Mag-open ang another screen. Anong screen? So, you have here text. So, when you click learn, mag-open ang learn 1. So, lagay natin dito, learn 1. Okay, tapos na tayo sa learn. Next is quiz naman. Quiz, kunin mo lang yon, lagay natin dito. Same through with yung una. Mag-open ang another screen. Have here. And then, the screen name. Sa taas. Have here. So, mag-open ang quiz naman. Quiz 1. Quiz 1. Okay, yan. Meron pa. Home. What if ayaw niya? So, home, click. Kapag click ng home, babalik sa my home. It will display another screen. Yan. What screen? So, text, babalik dun sa my screen 1. Screen 1. Okay? Screen 1. Babalik sa screen 1. Magdi-display ang screen 1 kapag prines niya ang home. So, yun lang yung block niya dito. So, ang ginagawa dito ng MITAppInventor, kino-convert niya yung mga blocks into codes. Okay? So, mas madali na lang. Okay, now, punta tayo dun sa may learn 1. Ito, learn 1. Anong nangyayari dito kapag nag-press? Okay? So, dito, pag nag-press ka ng itong picture na yan, image na yan, mag-play ng sound. So, ilan ba ang pwede nating i-press dito at ilan yung sound na i-press niya? Okay? I mean, ilan yung sounds na i-play niya? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun din yung number ng media ng sound na ilalagay natin. So, 1, drag and drop, 2, 3, and then 4. Yan. So, meron tayo dito sound 1. Sound 1, this is the cut sound. So, try na natin. Palitan. Cut. Cut sound. Cut SD na lang. Cut SD. Sound 2, ito ay yung cow SD sound. Next sound, dog. Rename. Dog SD sound. And then dolphin naman. Rename. Dolphin SD. Okay. Now, yung mga sounds na to, ilalagay natin isa-isa. So, yung cat. Ano yung sound ng cat? So, gaya ng pinakita ko kanina, meron tayo dito sounds. So, hanapin lang natin kung nasaan yan. So, source of the sound would be this one. Hanapin natin. Upload file. Then, choose the file. You want to upload sounds. So, since that is cat, hanapin mo yung cat. Open. And then, okay. Oh, meron na pala dito. So, i-click ko lang yung okay. So, nandyan na yung cow. Cat MP3. Next is cow. Cow MP3 meron na dito. So, pag wala, upload file na lang. Cow MP3, okay. Ito naman, this is the dog MP3, dog. So, nandyan na yan. Piliin ko na lang. And then, the dolphin. Dolphin. Okay. So, nandyan na yan. Now, ang mga to, pag clinic mo yung next, learn 1 pa lang to ha. Pag clinic natin yung next, magdi-display ang learn 2. Kung meron pang next, learn 3, learn 4, hanggang maubos. And then itong home button, kapag make sure clickable din yan, kapag press natin yan, babalik sa my screen 1. Okay. Now, we will discuss the blocks. Blocks of learn 1. Learn 1. Okay. Ano mangyayari? We have here, cat. Kapag prines mo yung cat, kapag clinic mo yung cat, anong mangyayari? Okay? Nasaan yung sounds natin? Andito yung sounds. Kapag prines or clinic mo yung cat na button or yung picture, click mo lang yan, anong mangyayari? Magpe-play ito. Magpe-play ang cat. So, lagay lang natin dyan. Diba? Madali. Kapag clinic natin yung cow, click. Ang mangyayari, itong cow, click, magpe-play. Yan. Kapag prines mo ang dog, magpe-play naman yung dog. Play. Make sure itong play ang piliin natin. Play. Hindi siya pause. And then, last one is, kapag clinic mo yung dolphin, magpe-play yung dolphin. So, play. Dolphin. Aside from that, we have here, next button and then home button. So, balik pa tayo sa blocks. Next button. Asan ang next? We have here. Next. Kapag prines mo yung next button, anong mangyayari? Magdi-display ang isang screen. So, it will open another screen. Anong screen? Text. So, nasa taas na naman yan. Magdi-display. Nasa Learn 1 tayo. Magdi-display ang Learn 2. Kumbaga. Another. We have here. Home. Kapag prines mo yung home, anong mangyayari? Magdi-display. So, it will open another screen. Yan. And then we will be adding text. We have here. So, anong pangalan ng home natin? Screen 1. So, screen 1. Make sure na yung uppercase is lowercase. Gayahin natin kung anong meron dito. Okay? So, okay na. So, ito na yung blocks natin. Kapag press ko si cut, magpiplay yung sound na cut. Same to with this. Kapag click ko yung next, learn, 2, screen. Pag click ko yung home, babalik sa screen 1. So, yun yung nandito. So, pag i-install natin ito, yun yung mangyayari. Okay. Screen number, learn 2. Gawin lang ulit natin yung ginawa natin sa learn 1. Okay? Next. Kapag click na naman natin yung quiz, dapat quiz 1 yung lalabas. Okay? So, we will design your quiz. So, what will be the design of your quiz? Okay? So, ito yung design naman ng ating quiz. Asan na? Ito. Which sound is this? Then play button, and then yung mga yan, and then next, then home button ulit. Okay? So, we will design your screen or quiz 1. So, ang laman niya, we'll be adding layout again sa top. Ang laman nito ay text. So, tatlong columns, isang row. Yan. And then, pwedeng dire-diretso yung lagay niya ng layout para hindi ka mahirapan. And then, label. Lagay ka na lang dito yung label niya. And then, yung tanong. So, nandito, which sound is this? Question mark. Again, pwede na palitan, center, and then yung etc. Yung etc. Yung kanyang ibang properties. Which sounds this? And then, maglalagay tayo ng play button para i-play nila kung ano yung sound na yon. So, columns, 3, isang row. And then, since meron tayo dito image ulit, yung play button natin, ito, play, asan yung play? Ito, image. So, we need to select image. Lagay natin sa gitna. And then, of course, we need to locate our play. Meron ako dito. Kung wala, upload na lang ulit. Okay. Masyadong malaki yung play button natin. So, make sure, kasi i-click na naman natin at magpa-play yung sound. So, clickable. Okay? And then, masyadong malaki. So, palitan natin yung size niya, %. Okay? And then, width niya, sabihin natin ulit, 10%. Okay. Pwedeng dito? Hindi. Dagdagan pa natin ng columns, 4. Yan. Para sa gitna. Next is, yung mga pictures na naman. Medyo mahirap na naman ito. So, we will be adding layout. So, yung ginawa natin kanina, 4x4. 4, ibang 4x4 yan, naisip mo. 4 and then 4. Okay? And then, image sa gitna. Image sa gitna. Image dito. Image dito. And then, label dito sa baba. Label. Label. And then, label. So, ito, ang laman nito ay, halimbawa, which sounds this? So, kumbaga, ito, first question. Ilalagay mo dito yung dog. Dog. Pag-click mo yan, magpe-play ang dog. So, ito, sabihin natin, ito ay pig. Pig, this one. So, hanapin natin, upload tayo ng pig. Wala akong sinabing ikaw. Sabi ko lang baboy dito. Ito yung baboy. Okay. Open. Okay. So, nandyan na yan. Pig. Let's say this is the correct answer. So, again, dog. Ito, lagay natin yung dog. So, nandito yung dog. Okay. Okay. Next, maglalagay tayo ng dolphin. Nandito yung dolphin. Gamitin na natin. Okay. And then, sige, mag-upload tayo ng image. Halimbawa, eagle. Open. Okay. So, nandyan. Of course, kailangan naman nating palitan yung sizes. Okay? So, yung sinabi ko kanina, 20 Okay, and then 30. Yan. Dog. 20. 30. Ito. 20. And then 30. Ito. 20. And then 30. Okay? And then, of course, make them as clickable. Clickable and then scale to fit. Clickable, scale to fit. Clickable, scale, and then clickable, and then scale. Yan. And then their text, of course. This is, for example, this is pig. Then center. This is dog. And then center. This is dolphin. And then center. And then this is eagle. And then center. Okay. So, nandyan yung mga yan. Next, maglalagay tayo ng next button para dun sa quiz number 2. What if nahulanan niya? Okay, next. Okay? So, we will be adding layout dito sa baba. And then, lalagay na naman natin yung, okay, so this is 3 and then 1 row. So, we will be adding image again dito sa gitna. Okay? So, the image would be, since nandito na, gamitin mo na lang yung next na nandito. Next. Okay. So, nandyan na yan. Next. Okay? And then, we'll be adding another layout for the home. Home. And then, isang row. Kahit nandyan, kahit dun sa gilid na lang, pare-pare-pareho. And then, dito natin ilagay, image dito. Yung home natin, gamitin na naman natin kasi nandito na. Okay. And then, masyadong malaki. So, let's try to change 10 by 10. Percent. 10 by 10. Okay. And then, nandyan na yan. So, let's try to anyway, mag-scroll naman yan. Or, meron din dito, slider. Yan. Para mag-scroll itong screen natin. So, pwede nyo lagyan yan. Now, anong gagawin natin dito? So, let's try to add blocks. Like this. Mag-add tayo ng block. So, pag prines ko ito, before, we need to change the name properties. Okay? So, this image, play. Rename. Play. Ito, pig. O, ba't ka sad? Sinabi ko lang baboy eh. Ito, dog. Ito, dolphin. Ito, eagle. Eagle. Oh yeah. Okay, and then next button. And then our home button. Home. Yan. Okay. Pwede na tayo. Hindi pa pala. Sound. Ilang sounds? So, isa lang. Kasi ito lang naman. Hindi. Ito, mag-bark yung dog. Ito, please try again. Ito, yes, like, for example, you're correct. Ito, please try again, please try again. So, ilang sounds? 1, 2, and then yung papare-pareho dito. 3. So, tatlong sounds ang nilagay natin dito. So, under media component. Media, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so nandito na yung sounds, wala pa yung 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Sound 1, ito yung dog na sound. Dog SD. Dog sound. Dog SD. Okay? Ito naman, ito yung correct. Correct answer. Ito, try again. Try again. Okay. Dog. Nasaan ang bark ng dog? Hanapin natin yung MP3 ng dog. Dog MP3. Okay. Ito, correct. Hanapin natin yung, wala yata akong correct dito. So, mag-browse tayo ng Sa or effects. Correct. Let's say great na lang. Great. Okay. So great. Try again. Upload file. And then we have here our try again. Please try again. Please try again. Okay. Now, we will proceed dun sa blocks. Blocks. Okay. Play button muna. Kapag click mo ang play button, anong mangyayari ulit? Diba? Sabi ko, magpe-play yung dog. Mag-bark. Nandito. Kapag press natin ito, mag-play yung dog. Okay? So, block. Balik tayo dito. Asan yung dog na sound? Ito. Dog sound. Click and then play. So, magpe-play. Ganyan. Next. Kapag press niya yung first picture, pig. So, obviously, mag-play ang please try again. Kasi nga, hindi nga dog. Dapat dog yung tamang sagot. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung try again. Ito, try again. Play. Yan. Kapag press niya yung dog, o dolphin muna, dolphin, ang magpa-play niyan, try again ulit. Kasi hindi nga daw dog. Okay. Eagle. Press niya yung eagle. Anong mangyayari? Try again ulit. Play. Kapag press niya yung dog, ito yung tamang sagot, click, anong mangyayari? Correct. Or, yan. Awesome. So again, play, mag-bark yung dog, nahuhulaan niya. Pag press yung pig, try again. Try again, dolphin. Try again yung eagle. Kapag nahulaan niya, correct. Or, that's awesome. Yung dog. Meron pa. Kapag click yung next, at kapag click niyo yung home button. So, blocks. Asan ang next natin dito? Next. Ito, click. Kapag click niyo yung next, anong mangyayari? Mag-open yung another screen. Open another screen. Then, text, screen name. Anong mag-open? Quiz 1 ito. Mag-open ang quiz 2. So, meron ako dito, quiz 2. Pag huwag kayo maglagay ng ganito, dito na makikita actually. You have here, your errors and then warnings. Okay? For now, walang error. So, ito, halimbawa, pag linagay mo dito kung ano-anong screen, wala naman doon mag-error yan. Kasi wala siyang i-display na screen. Okay? Quiz number 2 ang mag-display. Kapag nag-press ka ng next, what if nag-press ka ng home? Home. Nag-click ka ng home. Ito, hindi lalabas yan kung hindi mo sinet as clickable yung image. Okay? So, make sure na na-set as clickable. Kapag click mo yung home, magdi-display ang another screen. Display or open another screen, and then screen name, text, then what screen is that? Screen 1. Small letters, yung big letter S. Saan na tayo? No. Screen 1. So, parang ganyan. Next, quiz number 2. Home, screen 1. Okay. Balik tayo dito. Parang okay na. And then, of course, kung meron pang quiz, dagdagan. Quiz number 2, quiz number 3, number 4. So, yung mga yon. So, ito, screen 1 natin. Yan. And then, screen sub. Pag press yan, ano mangyayari? Okay? So, for now, pwede natin i-save. Save projects. Save project. Nag-save na yan. Okay? Now, when you close your application, and then kung gusto mo buksan, gawin mo lang ulit yung ginawa natin nung una. And then, magdi-display ito. So, ano nangyari? Hanapin mo dyan kung nasaan yung ginawa mong application. We have here my app actually. My app. Okay? Nandyan. Now, kapag tapos na, when you're done building, or let's say you want, hindi pa tapos, and then you want to check your application if it's working, you may, okay, ito, you may install AI Companion on your phone or you may use USB. Make sure na meron din yung AI Companion. Or kapag wala, para hindi ka mahirapan, we have here, build. You may build an APK, save APK to my computer. I-click nyo lang yan. And then magbi-build yan. Okay? So for now, it's building. Actually, antayin lang natin na mag-build siya ng application. Okay, we have here, compiling, part, basta, antayin natin yan, 50% hanggang mag 100%. Actually, pwede kayo mag-install ng BlueStacks, pero mabigat yun. BlueStacks sa laptop ninyo para hindi na ninyo kailang i-transfer pa yung application habang nag-ano yan. Sige, balik tayo dito. Yan. Once na-build nyo yung application, yung APK, you may just transfer yung APK na na-save sa download folder ninyo ng laptop. Transfer nyo lang sa cellphone ninyo and then just install. Okay? Or you may install BlueStack. Hanapin nyo lang sa Google, BlueStack. Install nyo lang yung BlueStack dyan sa computer ninyo, laptop, and then yung BlueStack kasi third-party application na it will allow you to install APK or Android app dyan sa laptop. Okay? So yun yung gamitin nyo with the use of the BlueStack. You may able to install your application and then try your application using your laptop. Okay? So dito, pwede nyo i-install sa laptop, sa computer, or sa cellphone, pasa nyo install sa cellphone and then make sure na naka-check yung unknown sources para makapag-install kayo ng application. And then, i-try na ninyo yung application. Alright? So, let's check kung tapos na. Hindi pa. Compiling pa lang. So, antayin nyo lang. Patience is a virtue. Anong virtue? Basta ganun. So, it says here, the APK will be saved to your download folder. Let's check our downloads folder. So, dapat nandito daw yung app natin. Parang wala pa. Okay, my APK is here. My APK, it's 4.3 MB. Sabi ko nga 50 MB yung maximum. So it's here 4.3 MB. Now, ito yung bubuksa or ita-transfer ninyo sa cellphone ninyo at ito yung ita-down o i-install ninyo. So dun sa on the next video, I'll be showing or demonstrating or we will be try to install that application sa cellphone and then yun, i-try natin kung gumagana yung blocks natin or yung application natin. Alright? So for your application, try to build an application. This is just an additional points kasi hindi ko naman siya i-require na lahat kayo gagawa kasi nga yung iba walang app, walang laptop. Pero meron naman siya online if you want. Okay? So parang yun muna yung first activity, laboratory activity. You will create any application. Pwede naman na sa Ifugao, yung mga pictures ng mga, halimbawa, yung mga kagamitan sa Ifugao or yung dialect naman. Learn about the dialects here in Ifugao. And then iba, kahit anong, application ang pwede nyong gawin. Okay? So parang learn, dalawang screens natin for learn. So learn and then next additional and then quiz natin, dalawa ding screens for quiz. And then your home, it includes your name and of course yung design niyo. And of course the sub home. That will allow you to choose if the user wants to learn or just take a quiz. All right. So yun muna for now. Again, the next video we will be demonstrating the APK installation using our mobile phone. Paalam.